Emmy never wants to change out of her swimsuit. She's just constantly wanting to run through the sprinklers and she thinks she's going swimming every day. But right now, we're gonna go get some fireworks. It's the 24th of July, which means it's Pioneer Day. Get in your car. It's so exciting going to the grocery store. Climb up, lift up those legs. Lift. What do you think, girls? Should we get some fireworks?
Yeah.
Which ones do we like?
Those ones.
Do those look like good ones?
Yeah.
What do you think about this one? Should we do this one?
Yeah.
Does this look like a good package? Okay, can you reach it?
No.
Lift it up, put it in the cart.
Yeah.
Lift it.
Yeah.
Get it.
Yeah.
All right, I'll get it. Okay, maybe. Oh, that's heavy. That's really heavy.
We like that kind.
Those are gonna be so much fun. Holy cow.
We have a lot.
That is a lot, huh? We gotta hurry so we can light them all. What else do we want?
Flexible.
Popsicles?
Flexible.
Did the car take off a little too fast?
Oh, it's right there.
Found some?
Right there.
All right, let's get those. Oh boy. This is gonna be fun. Okay, you girls ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
There's pizza.
And when you don't feel like cooking, we do Papa Murphy's. Who wants pizza?
I do!
Hurry, drive. Drive faster. Go, go, go.
Right there!
Okay, we're to the car. You little thief. You're eating all my pepperoni. They took half the pepperoni off the pizza.
No, 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 no.
We got one pizza done, other one's cooking, and then you can't have an outdoor party. What?
This is watermelon.
It's watermelon. You can't have an outdoor party without watermelon, huh?
No.
Should we cut it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's cut it up.
And you take a melon. Anyone? Floppy pizza.
To 945, I've got rhythm.
Look at what I've got. I got rhythm, I got music, I got my man who can ask for anything more. I got daisies in green pastures, I got my man who can ask for anything more.
10 competitive, this is Act 946, sitting on the dock of the bay.
Watching the ships roll in, then I watch them roll away again. Yeah, sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time.
Ages 7-8 competitive. This is going to be act number 947 from the block.
Still Jenny from the Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No, where I came from.
Just finished competition
How's our little buddy doing?
I think he's good. He just sleeps all the time and wants to be cuddled all the time. And so I just do that.
Good. He needs his mom.
He needs to get better.
He does need to get better. Emmy, let's go outside, babe. Should we go put up the swing?
Yep.
Yep.
It's okay, remember. If it's okay. Well, okay. Well, watchy.
Easy does it.
Bodie's hiding.
Bodie's hiding?
Oh, I won't do that. He's not in the box.
So when we had a party at the
He's not in
Orgills,
box.
these kids absolutely loved this swing that they had, Davey and April. So we reached out to the company and some of our friends over there, and they ended up sending us one, which we're very thankful for because, again, the kids absolutely loved it. Hey, there he is, but they also love the box about as much as the swing. And Bodie's proving how strong he is by tearing cardboard apart. Okay, let's get it set up, shall we?
Let's do this.
What do you think, bud?
Yeah.
You little surfer?
Yeah.
Cozy and Emmy, where are you?
Right here.
Okay, girls, hide. Hide. Hurry. Hide. Hurry. Oh no. Hurry. You guys, the box is almost as fun as the swing. Just ask the girls. They'll tell you. Don't get so dizzy you throw up, because then Samson will just eat it. Ew. You ready? Here it goes.
Woo! I get to go fast at the end. Oh! Ah! I want to go fast.
You want to go faster? That was cool. Do you think he's too young?
To go on the super duper spinner. Are you ready to super duper spin?
I don't think he's quite ready for that yet. But I think it was a hit with the kids.
Thank you, Playmaster. Thank you, Playmonster. Thank you, Playmonster.
Whoa, that's like 1,000 spins.
It's gonna be intense.
This is the super duper duper spinner.
I'm holding him by his head.
That looks
Come
safe.
on. Okay, there you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. Ready? Set.
A little.
Oh my god.
No!
Just hold on tight.
Woo!
Hold on tight.
Dad,
What?
like when I was spinning, the wind like was pulling my feet off and spit came out of my mouth.
Spit came out of your mouth?
Mhm.
Glad it didn't hit me.
So, what happened at the awards?
We got first overall in hip hop and in category and in judges' choice, and so we made it to the showcase with BREMILL. What?
Oh, Brielle, you're national champ!
I'm not exactly sure what just happened, but Brielle called and said something really good happened with her dance recital or her dance competition, and that's about the gist of it. I'm not quite sure on the rest. But for now, today is Pioneer Day, so, I mean, what better way to celebrate than with fireworks? What is going on? Oh, you guys just love the fireworks.
You got the giant pack!
Oh, you know I did. But now it's time to end with a minor celebration. Thank you, Utah, for being Utah. Let's celebrate.
This is Dad's favorite day because
I get to play fire.
it's an excuse to play
yeah.
with fire. Yes. This is why living in Utah is so great, because you basically get 2 4th of Julys. The 24th is our state holiday. It's Pioneer Day, the day that like the pioneers came into the valley. So it's awesome because if you love the 4th of July, then you get to enjoy it twice as much. And these kids are ready to watch the fireworks. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you guys
Look at my
holding hands?
It's because she's scared.
Oh, you're being so nice. Okay, we got the first one lit.
I love those signs. Whoa! Look at those pink ones. And look at the white ones.
Killer fireworks, man. Jensen's not impressed. He's just sleeping right through it.
And the
The anticipation is killing her.
Whoa.
I hope there's another one like that.
I do like that one, guys.
best one yet!
Yeah, that was the best one yet.
Alright guys, I'm done. Let's go in the house. That was fun. Did you like that?
Yeah! Yay!
Who doesn't love fireworks, huh?
So, the baby's sick and I'm gonna give him a checkup.
Emmy thinks she's the doctor. That's where the baby's heartbeat is.
No, pretend I'm the doctor.
Yeah, I'm pretending you're the doctor.
And I am the mom. I'm giving him medicine so he can cough better. And good night, baby. He sleep good and be healthy strong. And he will just be this fine. If the baby feels good, I won't, don't worry that. Good night. Like and subscribe. And don't worry that baby Jensen will just be this fine.
Let's go, doctor. Time for bed.
Not yet.
Even doctors have a bedtime.
I'm the doctor. I don't go to bed. So Ember, want to know how they make these? Mm-hmm. So they make a popsicle. They get a popsicle stick. That's what you hold. And then they get ice cream. Yeah, can I sit down? And then you eat it.